So till now, we learned the basic concepts of prompt engineering. What is it? What is a prompt? What are limitations and some other concepts and parameters? Now you are ready with this knowledge to move on to the real part, the main part of the course, which is connecting language models with our own scripts to get the real power of language models. So the next section, we are going to learn Python scripting. In case you know Python, you are free to skip the section. It's okay. If you don't, just go through section 3, learn Python scripting. It's really simple. You will see that way I explain things. We will learn Python very fast, and we will learn only what we need for this course. We aren't here to learn Python programming in general. We want to learn basic Python scripting. We learn some concepts to connect with our language models. You will see later I will give you templates. I will give you a lot of ready-made scripts for you. You just need to change things, but you have to understand the code. So the upcoming section is about learning Python scripting, then connecting with language model, especially with ChatGPT, to create some magic with this combination.